Hello everyone, I am Anna Vanila on the channel Anna Vanila Arts, and here we are today talking about this brand new hat I have made. It's actually stunning in my opinion. It's beautiful. It looks similar to the scarf I make that goes well along with this hat, as you can see. Sorry I had to answer. It was a knock on my door, so I had to answer it. I think this hat has become very beautiful. It took me a while to do because I've used 3.5 needles size, and it's absolutely fantastic design. I love the ornament part of it, ornate, and the color pink suits very nicely with this design. And as I was talking to you about, it was about this scarf as well. It's actually the same pattern, as you can see, the same pattern as this hat. The difference is this hat, for this hat I've used 3.5 needle size, but for this one I've used size number 5, and of course it's more like airy. This one, which is a scarf, is more airy, it's more chunkier. The pattern ended up looking very chunky, but it's very nice. I love it. I love holes in it. I love plaiting, the shape in here. It looks so nice. I love it. I also love it, this pattern and on the hat, but as you can see it's much finer, much smaller, but all in all it's the same color, the same pattern, and it looks like it can work out to be quite a nice set. Would you agree with me? I think this as a set would look very nice, especially in this in the spring. I think it's very lovely thing to wear around your neck, on your hair, on your head. And you can see the scarf is quite long. I've used 2 balls of yarn for this scarf, so it's quite a bit of yarn gone into it, quite a while of time as well. As you can see, it's like never ending. And it goes like so. I'm thinking maybe I can use this pattern to create like a summer top for me to wear it in this summer, and I think it's fantastic. I love it. I think it's turned out to be quite nice. And the hat is absolutely beautiful. This is at the back. You can see the stitching here, and I've hidden the bits and pieces in here with a hook, nicely with a hook, and it's stretchy, and it should be quite warm in it. It's acrylic yarn, and I've made it a bit longer so that if I do wear something to hold my hair, at least there is space for it in the head. And I think it's beautiful. I love it. I hope you love it too. So if you love it too, please leave a like, and please write to me what would you like for me to do next in my channel, and that I could create new videos to your taste. And thank you very much for watching and subscribing. See you soon in the next video. Bye.